You know I don't play right. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
Oh man, as you guys see, I finally got the part. Came in today. Looks clean. Doesn't really match the OEM carbon. That's more of a matte finish, more of a gloss right here. But it's better than what it was. But now it looks. Now the bike looks good. We still got a lot more changes to do. But slowly but surely, over time. Because I do need some new tank pads, because that's peeling. But yeah, man. We're finna head up to the Cycle Gear meet. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I am trying a new setup in my new helmet. Let's see where my mic is. Yeah, right. Right there. Okay. Yes, I am trying a new setup in my helmet. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. Let's get this right started. What I'm gonna do though, I am going to I'm not gonna ride straight over there. So I'm gonna ride a little bit. So I'll probably go down to here and then turn back around and then head that way. Right, bro. Keep doing it, man. I mean, people like that, man. I am walking the GoPro today. That's because I had too many videos on my phone. I mean, on my other camera. By the time you guys see this video, I just went back for going out of town. I am going out of town with the wife. She's currently not here with us. She's at work. I'm going out of town with her to go visit some family. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is right here. That's where you can stay updated on everything. When videos are getting posted and what's not, or photos or videos. Hopefully this camera setup is nice. Hopefully this chain mount I put on stays on this helmet here. Ooh, this bad boy need to stay in this and warm up. Alright, what you braking for, man? Come on. Oh yeah, you guys all follow me on Instagram. Did you see the little story I posted? Probably weeks from now, when this video comes out. But the really progress is getting in. Every time I take this thing out, I practice. You know, it's a grandma driving this Mazda 3 here. Oh God. Just a minute. Car's not warm yet. That was a good one. Fucking traffic going this way. I already see traffic here. I got the wheelchair in the back. home. Oh, y'all been on and everything. These bad boys warmed up. Around. It's covered here now. How did it go? What's up, honey? Another topic, man. Let's see here. I need to just a little bit more higher. Just a little bit more. I can see how it looks. Oh, we should record it. Yep. I believe so. I wish I know how to change the screen to just black. Like it does it, like I'll show you. Once I go underneath this icons here, it does it. Like, I didn't think it stayed black the whole time. Honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys around, show you the bikes. We got Pierce's bike here, the Blade, with the green in here and the carbon in there. Carbon on there. Helmet to match it too. Look at the wings though, yo. Wings look sick, bro. And then he tinted the headlights too. Then we got one bro here with the R1. The carbon on there as well. I didn't give me some of these right here. That's sick. Carbon frame on there as well. Very nice. We got a black, all black Z6R. We got 400 out here. We got Alex here on the 10. Got some more. We got a V2 over here. Got a V. No, not a V2. 959. I'm sorry. 959 on here. Looking all nice. Ducati red. And then a Z6R over here. 650. Then we got the M.
It's like literally here, out that way. It's before the light. I'll tell you that.
We got Memo out here on the Blade. Leonardo girl.
Alright. Yeah, 50 miles.
Then we got Mr. Chris Tube here on his bike. Really can't see the color probably. Well, his bike's right here though. Looking all nice. The white wheels on there. Yeah, look who finally pulled up. Mr. Aldo himself. On the RSV4 here. Looking all nice and clean. But yeah, man. That's probably gonna be it for today's video though. If you haven't already, man, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one, man. Peace.